Brats, so many of you were so excited about the Franken Quest 2 giveaway that I thought, let's just do another one. So we've got a whole care package for a Quest 2 that we're going to give away here. I've got one Halo head strap, brand new. It also has been modified with the BeswinVR Ultimate Comfort Kit. So what this does with this strap, instead of pushing on the back of your head with just the one band there, it actually cradles your entire back of your head. We've got a facial interface replacement here. It's got two different leather type pads that don't soak in a lot of your sweat, thicker and thinner, so that you can make it whatever comfort level you want. I've also got this charge dock that we just reviewed. I wasn't hugely in love with this, but it works. It needs a home, and honestly what I would recommend, instead of having the nose piece that I was concerned about hitting your lenses in, you can leave that off and just use this as a desk charging dock instead of the wall. It'll be of course up to the winner what they want to do with it, how they want to use it, but I'm going to throw this into. So you got several major things here that's going to take, especially if you have a stock Quest 2, it's going to take it from stock to really comfortable and really fun. Now, to enter in this giveaway, same parameters as last time. Be a subscriber on the channel. Please leave a like on the video while you're at, help this thing spread. I need the word giveaway, solid one word giveaway in your comments so the bot can find you. And then I need what country I'm going to be shipping it to in the comment as well, so I know that this is going to go international. So wherever you are, enter in. We'll get it all to you together. I'm super excited. We'll let it run for 10 days. So this will end on Saturday the 11th at 12 p.m. Pacific time. I'll stop taking in the comments. We'll drop another video saying who the winner is, get this sent out, and get you super comfortable and super happy with your Quest 2. Thank you so much for spending some of your time here with me today. I hope this video brightened your day a little bit. Good luck to everyone, and I will see you in another reality.